Today I'm here at Changzamto just below this JDWNRH hospital. Built in the name of the third king of Bhutan, His Majesty Jigme Dorji Wangchuck. It's 5 a.m. and I was afraid that there would be nobody around and I would be attacked by stray dogs, but there are a lot of people going for walks and joggings. And what else have we got here? We have got a flu clinic located just below this hospital, and people who have got flu symptoms, COVID symptoms, come here to check up. And we are in front of the Chorten now, and you can see a lot of pigeons here. It's a beautiful morning and the Chorten is closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, religious devotees are circumambulating around the Chorten, outside the fence and outside the gates on the roads. And it's good for your fitness too, to go for walks. I used to wonder why people feed the pigeons when they can get their own food, the worms, but then just learnt that pigeons are vegetarians. And this is the Jigme Dorji Wangchuck National Memorial Stupa, built in the memory of His Majesty the Third King of Bhutan. And the lady who was feeding the pigeon is back and is feeding the pigeons once again. And I was wondering why she was running earlier, but then she was running to save her time, and she is feeding the pigeons with each time she would circumambulate the Chorten, I guess. Likewise, there are plenty of people out here. They are walking and circumambulating the Chorten at the same time, and it has got many benefits, multiple benefits to everybody around here, both physically, mentally, emotionally, religiously, spiritually, and many more. And today I realized that I am the only one, the lazy person, to be sleeping when a lot of people go for joggings and morning walks. A beautiful flower hanging out there. It's a beautiful thing, and then look at this grass. This grass too looks beautiful. And some beautiful plants planted in between the two highways. And this is Kalki Higher Secondary School. It's a beautiful school here. It's early morning, so there is nobody around here. I'm just passing by here. And they have got their own apple tree, I guess. And that's Changang Khalhagang. Currently we are here at the swimming pool complex, and well, I don't go for a walk in the mornings usually. It's just accidentally I'm going for a walk today because I had stayed in my friend's place last night and I woke up early. So whenever I wake up early, I like to go for walks, and that's how I landed up going for a walk today. And also enjoy the scenario of the beautiful flowers out here. Well, they may not be looking beautiful on the camera, on my camera particularly, but then they are very beautiful to my naked eyes. Well, I haven't been around here for quite a while now, but then today accidentally I came for a walk and it's really beautiful. Finally, I'm here around Chuvachu and I'm just halfway home. I'll leave you with more pictures of this morning shots. Well, that's all for today, and if you want to watch more videos, please click on the subscribe button and hit on the post notification button. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.